If you guys saw this, you would probably be inclined to think it was just a normal brush. And you wouldn't be wrong, but you also wouldn't exactly be right. See, it is a brush, but there is a little more to it than immediately meets the eye. So today I'm actually going to use this special brush to show you how I manage and maintain my beard hair every morning in the morning when it's all crazy and I just roll out of bed and the beard is going everywhere. I actually left it like that for you guys today, just so I can show you how I decide to style my beard using this brush and some of Volt Beard Balm. So let's get into it. This beard brush is a little special. Now this is Volt's utility brush. Now Volt offers a couple different brushes and combs for your beard depending on what you need. But the Volt utility brush is a little different. It kind of combines the benefits of a comb and a brush all into a single package. And you may be wondering how this is even possible. Well, the Volt utility brush uses a combination of nylon ball-tipped bristles, which are pretty stiff, as well as natural boar bristles inside the comb. And what this does is it allows you to detangle a lot of those hairs with those stiff bristles that like to cut through and separate the hair, but it also allows you to gently exfoliate, spread oils, and all the health benefits you get from like natural boar bristle brushes. Boar bristles are soft enough to bend and flex around your hair, which means they spread oils and exfoliate really well, but they're not stiff enough like the ball-tipped bristles to actually separate the hairs and detangle any knots or anything like that. So the combination of those two bristles in this brush is really what sets this brush apart and makes it useful for pretty much everyone. But as you can see, this brush also has a spiral design that just makes styling a little easier. It means you can actually roll the brush as you use it in your fingertips, and that just maximizes your ability to actually get the brush where you need it, to be able to do a little bit with it instead of having to like scrape and really drag a flat brush under your chin or any of those sensitive areas. And so now I'm going to show you guys how I actually maintain, manage, and style my own beard, my unruly bed beard, using the Volt utility brush and some Volt Beard Balm. Quick note, the reason I go for Volt Beard Balm and not beard oil is because Beard Balm provides more of a styling edge and some hold that you're gonna need for unruly beards when you're trying to keep the beard flat, straight, and manage its shape, as opposed to beard oil. Beard oil allows you a lot of hydration, but doesn't really allow you to style your beard all that much. So let me get a close up here and I'll show you how crazy my beard is now, and then I'll go through the process of what I do to manage it. So as you guys can see right now, my beard is all over the place. The beard hairs are going everywhere. They're clumping together in some areas. The beard looks really thin in other areas because the beard hairs just aren't evenly separated and they're not where they should be. There are some going up, some going down, some going sideways. They're just all over the place. Now what I like to do before doing any of this is just exfoliate a little bit with a regular boar bristle brush. Now you don't have to do this. This isn't mandatory. And I know we didn't talk about using this brush today, but if you've already washed your beard or maybe you just got out of the shower, you don't really need this step. But once I'm done with that, I'm actually just going to take out some beard balm, scrape some out in my fingertips, put some in my hands, rub it around a little bit, and then start applying it to my beard. Now I'm gonna apply the beard balm first because I wanna use the Volt utility brush to style at the end, and my beard is gonna need some kind of hold that the beard balm is gonna give it. So after rubbing the beard balm in nice and well, and after it's had a little bit to sit and soak in, I'm gonna take my boar bristle brush, and I'm just gonna start by straightening the hair just with light flat flicks down my face so that the hair can be generally seated the way I want it. Keep in mind that as I do this, the boar bristles in the beard brush are actually going to be spreading that beard balm throughout my beard more evenly. And the nylon ball tip bristles are going to be providing a lot of the style and the direction that I want the hair to be in because they don't flex as easily. Okay, so once the hair is all facing downwards, or at least the way I want it, what I'm going to start doing is actually giving some shape to my beard. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to start rolling the spiral shaped pattern of the brush into those hard to reach areas like under my chin, behind my jaw, as well as under my nose where my mustache is, so I can get my mustache not straight down the way it was before, but to the side where it adds some shape and it actually blends better with my beard on the sides of my mouth. Once I have those areas the way that I want them, the last thing I'm going to do is go directly under my chin and do the same thing. Just in the direction of my beard growth, I'm going to twist the brush around just to seat those hairs there so they're not gonna think about going anywhere else. They're not gonna get all crazy again. They're gonna be trained to stay there, especially with that beard balm giving them some hold and some styling edge. And that's pretty much it, guys. guys, that's a quick before and after you can see here, and what a difference that makes. Just a little routine like this, something really fast you can do in like 5 minutes, can leave your beard pretty much perfectly groomed, shaped, and exfoliated. And if you find that any of your beard hairs are just too stubborn or too unwilling to stay with beard balm, use some beard wax instead. Volt makes some really good high quality beard wax that will keep your beard hairs in place and they're not gonna move. And then you can style your beard or your mustache any way you want. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Just a quick note, we are actually really busy here at Volt headquarters, and so these videos may be coming out maybe like twice a week instead of 3 times a week. Don't worry, it's just for a short amount of time, maybe a few weeks at most, and then we'll be back and running up full steam. Links to all the products are going to be in the description, as well as some blog articles about them. And if you want to read more, feel free to go to voltgrooming.com and you'll be able to read about every product that we sell there. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.